Welcome back to my Gateway channel. Planning holidays can be stressful. Flights, hotels, food, and activities add up fast. But what if I told you AI can help you budget smarter and find the best deals? Stick around, because today I'll show you how to use AI to save money and travel better. We'll explore various AI tools that simplify financial planning and uncover hidden travel deals. Step 1. Set your holiday budget. AI budgeting tools like Copilot, YNAB, or Mint can analyze your spending habits and suggest how much you can safely spend on travel. These intelligent platforms delve into your financial history, identifying patterns and offering personalized recommendations to optimize your spending for upcoming trips. You just enter your income, expenses, and savings goals. The AI does the math and shows you a clear breakdown. It's like having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips. For example, if you want to spend $2,000 on a trip, AI can tell you how much to save weekly and where to cut back. This precision helps you reach your travel goals faster. The AI can even set up automated alerts, notifying you when you're off track or when you've successfully hit a savings milestone, keeping you motivated. Now let's talk deals. AI-powered platforms like Hopper, Skyscanner, or Google Travel use machine learning to predict flight prices and alert you when they drop. These sophisticated tools constantly monitor millions of data points, identifying optimal booking windows and ensuring you never miss out on a great price. You can even ask AI assistants to track hotel discounts, package deals, or recommend cheaper travel dates. Imagine the time saved and the money kept in your pocket. Instead of spending hours scrolling, AI does the heavy lifting, comparing thousands of options in seconds. This efficiency transforms your travel planning experience. The AI can even analyze historical data to suggest the absolute best time to book, often saving you hundreds of dollars on flights and accommodations. It's not just about flights and hotels. AI can also find deals on rental cars, activities, and even local dining experiences, making your entire trip more affordable. Putting it all together, here's a quick recap of how to master smart holiday budgeting with AI. These steps will guide you to a stress-free and affordable vacation. First, set your budget with an AI tool. Check sample in the description using Copilot for free. This foundational step ensures you have a clear financial roadmap for your holiday adventures. Next, track your savings progress automatically with Mint or other tool from your choice. Let the AI do the heavy lifting, keeping you informed and motivated every step of the way. Then, use AI deal finders for flights, hotels, and activities. These tools are your secret weapon for unlocking incredible savings. Finally, get alerts when prices drop and book at the right time. Timing is everything when it comes to securing the best travel deals. With these steps, you'll not only stay within budget, but also unlock hidden deals that make your holiday more affordable and fun. It's truly a game changer for travelers. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart travel tips, and let me know in the comments where AI is taking you next. Safe travels and happy holidays! We look forward to hearing about your AI-powered adventures in the comments below. Also, you can visit ai.mygateway.com to access top AI models for free at any time.